Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Pratiksha Mitra Chakraborty and you're watching my channel Karubaki. So guys, today I have this broken plate with me. So this plate got broken yesterday and trust me, when I saw this broken pieces, I instantly had this idea in my mind that how about, without just throwing it away, I kind of give it a creative makeover. I kind of transform this into something beautiful, some kind of a beautiful artwork that I could hang on one of my living room walls. So as of now, I really have no idea as what I'm going to paint on it or whether I'm going to do some clay work. What I'm going to do, I have no idea, but I surely know this, that I am going to transform this into some beautiful art piece that I am going to hang on one of my living room walls, as I said just now. So let's see how it just goes on. But yeah, if you like this video guys, then you know what to do. Just hit the like button and let me know what you felt about it in my comment section below. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you can get the notification of that new video at the very earliest. So now, without any further ado, let's just begin with our video. So here are the broken pieces, and before I start painting, I'm going to clean the pieces properly with a piece of cloth so that there is no dust on the pieces, and then I'm using my flat brush 12 and crimson red color for painting the borders. Now since the wall on which I'm going to hang it is of light lemon yellow color, so I am painting the border really bright red color so that it kind of gives that popping effect. So if you're doing this, remember to apply 2-3 coats of the paint if you want it to be really bright, and since there is some painting already done on the plate, so I want to hide those paintings completely, so I am applying as many coats required. And now I am again using my flat brush number 12 and Prussian blue color for doing the base color, where I am going to do my painting. And I think the red and blue combination is going to look just superb. It is going to turn this very ordinary looking plate into this very bright art piece. So that is my thing, that is what I want to do. So yeah, I'm using 2-3 coats of the paint, and as I said, use as many coats, apply as many coats of paints as you want to make your painting look really bright and shiny. And just have a look, it's looking so neat and tidy. And now I am using neon pink color and 0 size brush, and then I'm also going to mix it with white color, and I'm going to start with my painting. So I am going to paint some lotus flowers here, and for that I am mixing the neon pink color with white to give it kind of this different shades. And here one problem that I was facing was, although after I finished applying the blue color, I had kept the plates for quite some time for the color to get really dry, but when I started applying the pink color or the white color, when I started painting, the base color, the blue color, was kind of just coming out, and so I really had to wait. So when you do this, I would suggest that you after applying the base color, just leave it for 1 day, or just leave it for at least 12 hours for your paint to get really dry, and then start painting. Otherwise you might face similar problems like I did, because the blue color was really disturbing me. It was kind of coming out and mixing with my painting, so that was something I was just hating, and I really don't want you guys to face the similar problems. So this would be my suggestion, that after you do your base color, just leave it as it is for at least 12 hours, because by then I'm sure your paint is going to get dry, and then start painting. Otherwise you are going to face problems like I did.
Now since my blue color was just coming out again and again, so I had to use a lot of neon pink color and white color again and again just to hide the blue color. And then I am using neon green color and a zero size brush for doing the stem and other detailings. Now I am using the neon colors here, but if you do not have neon colors, it's just fine. You can use any other regular color, but since I have the neon colors, I'm using them because these paints are really bright, and when you finish your entire painting, the portions where you use the neon colors, they kind of turn out really bright, and I really wanted that. I really like it, so I thought of using my neon colors here. And I'm just doing some more flowers and some kind of detailings here with my neon green color. And as I said, I'm using my round brush 0 here. I'm sorry, I did not mention it before. I'm not using any flat brushes here, but if you want, you can choose the brushes that you are comfortable with. That is completely your choice to do. And of course guys, I'm using my acrylic paint color here. As you know, I always use acrylic paint because I love acrylic paints. They get dry really fast. Now it's time for the other piece, and I'm just going to do exactly the same thing. I'm just going to paint some lotus flowers here, and then I'm just going to paint it exactly the same. Both the pieces are going to be identical. So here when I was painting this piece, I did not have to face that problem of that blue color coming up because this plate was kept aside for a little longer time than the smaller piece, so it kind of got dry pretty well. And so when I started painting on it, that blue color that was coming up, that was coming out for the other piece, I really didn't have to face the problem here for this one. And you can see this when I was applying, when I was painting on it, it was much smoother. So here first what I did was I painted the lotus with my white color, and then I used the neon pink color later on. But for the base of the lotus flowers, I used just white color, and I completely painted them with white, and then later on I started applying my neon pink color for doing the highlights, and I kind of smudged the white color with the neon pink color, because that would kind of give that very smooth effect. And yeah, if you want, you can use any other color, whatever you want. You can use poster color if you want, but you guys already know that I love using acrylic paints. So for everything, wherever I'm painting, whatever surface, no matter where I'm doing it, I always use acrylic color. But if you want, or if you have poster color available with you, then you can always use that, and you can do your painting. And now I'm using this neon green color again for doing the green paths everywhere. And trust me, when this painting is going to end, you will see, because of this neon colors, the painting is going to look really bright. And then here I'm using my crimson red color once again for just highlighting the parts of the flowers. And if you want, you can do this with black color also, even that is going to look good. But I wanted to kind of use the same color palette, so I'm using crimson red color here for doing the highlights. And again, I'm using my round brush 0, and yeah, see, it's looking so beautiful. I'm already in love with the painting, and I'm sure that even you guys are liking it. And here I'm using my dark green color for doing the highlights of these, and here I'm using my Prussian blue color for doing the detailings here and there. And I think they're looking so beautiful. I am totally in love with it already. And now at at last I'm using white color for doing the final outlines, because here I think this white thing is going to just kind of give that 3D effect. So yeah, here it is. I mean, just look at it. Isn't it looking so awesome? I can't wait to hang it.
So now it is complete, and now they're absolutely ready to be hung on my wall. So yeah, I think it's looking so pretty. This is the wall I was talking about. So yeah, now let's start hanging them. Now since this is a rented apartment, I am not allowed to use any kind of nails on the wall. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use this pair of scissors and this double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to cut small pieces of this tape and I'm going to paste it at the back side of the plates. So that is what I'm going to do. So now let's do it. Can't wait. So let me first decide where I'm going to place which piece of this plate, and then I'll paste it, because that is very important. You need to have this clear idea where you're going to place it. Otherwise later on you're going to regret, and that is something I don't want. And I am going to actually place them a little up and down pattern, not in the same level, because otherwise it's not going to, I don't know, I think it's not going to look that good. So I'm just going to keep it a little uneven. One piece is going to be a little down and the other piece is going to be a little up. That was it. That was the vlog, and I really think that broken plate that I had started today's video with, it has completely transformed into this beautiful art piece. So yeah, I hope you have liked this video, because I am absolutely loving it, and I would suggest that if you have a broken plate like this, or anything broken that you're planning of just throwing away, before throwing it, just hold on a second, just wait, look at it, and you might kind of get some creative ideas as well, like I did. So I would recommend you do that before throwing it away. Try and think of giving it some kind of creative makeover, because trust me, the end result looks really nice. So yeah, I hope that you have liked this video, guys. So if you did, then just let me know that by hitting the like button, and share your feedbacks with me in my comment section below. I would love to know what you felt about it. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button, and press the all option, so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you can get the notification of that new video at the very earliest. So I will be seeing you very soon with another new video. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.